How can I change my Apple ID without losing my photos?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to tackle a common concern for Apple users: how to change your Apple ID without losing your photos. This can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step. Remember, your photos are stored in iCloud, which is linked to your Apple ID, so we want to ensure these are safe throughout the process.
Why would you want to change your Apple ID?
There can be several reasons why you may want to change your Apple ID. You might want to switch to a more professional email address, or you're simply moving on from an old email account. Regardless, it's important to ensure that you're not going to lose any of your data, especially your cherished photos.
What to do before changing your Apple ID?
Before you start this process, ensure your device is backed up. This includes your photos, which are likely the most important to you. There are several ways to back up your photos. 1. Use iCloud. Go to Settings greater than your name, greater than iCloud greater than Photos, then turn on iCloud Photos. 2. Use a computer. Connect your device to a computer, and use the computer's built-in photo application to import your photos. 3. Use a third-party cloud service. Download a cloud storage app from the App Store, like Google Photos or Dropbox, and follow their instructions to back up your photos.
How to change your Apple ID?
Once your photos are backed up, you can change your Apple ID. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap on your name. 3. Tap on name, phone numbers, email. 4. Tap on Edit next to Reachable AT. 5. Add a new email ID where it says Add email or phone number. 6. You'll receive a verification code on your new email. Verify the email address using the code. 7. Once your new email is verified, you can remove the old email address, making the new one your Apple ID. Remember, do not log out of your Apple ID on your devices until you've completed these steps.
How to resync your photos with the new Apple ID?
After changing your Apple ID, you need to make sure your photos are synced back onto your device. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap your name. 3. Tap on iCloud. 4. Tap on Photos. 5. Toggle on iCloud Photos. This should start the process of syncing your photos from iCloud to your device. And there you have it. That's how you can change your Apple ID without losing your photos. Always remember to back up your data before making any significant changes to your Apple account. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more Apple tips and tricks in our upcoming videos.